welcome you all with my love and respect. Now we are going to have Murti Pratishta ceremony. Understand, it is not Prana Pratishta. Prana Pratishta means once you do that ritual, you can't move the Murti. Now we are doing only Murti Pratishta. Means it is a temporary structure. Once we have the temple, the permanent temple built, then we will do the Prana Pratishta and Kumbhabhisheka. It is a elaborate ritual. We will be installing the different energizing objects during Prana Pratishta. Now it is Murti Pratishta. Means all the deities which are brought here, they will be energized to be Archavatara. See, basically let me explain the science of this energizing. The cosmic energy is available to us in the 5 forms. In the form of ether, form of air, form of fire, and form of water, and form of earth. 5 elements. The thing is, you will not be able to relate with the ether level energy directly, because you are in the level of earth element. You are in the level of matter. So naturally, you will be able to connect with that energy, have the benefit of cosmic energy in your life, only if it is available in the earth element, not just in the ether element. People ask me, Swamiji, do the masters who don't have body anymore, masters who left the body, can they help us? I tell them, they can help you, but you need to be subtly, so much in tune with them. See, in the first level, you will be able to fall in tune with the master who is living in the body. Only then you will be able to fall in tune with the master who has left the body. So, falling in tune with the master who left the body is the thing, falling in tune with the cosmic energy directly, etheric energy directly. That is very difficult. That is very difficult and actually impossible for the initial level people who are entering into the spiritual path. That is why the cosmic energy which is available in the 5 elements, we bring it from the ether. The ether level energy is brought down by the visualization. From there, through the mantras, it is brought down to air. Through verbalization, it is brought down to air. Through the offering, it is brought down to fire. And from fire, it is taken to the water, Kumbha. From Kumbha, it is taken to Bimba. Bimba means the Murti which is made of earth element. Then the common man who is living in the level of material level, who is living in the earth element level, in the physical body, can relate with that energy, and he can relate, connect and feel the responses or results. These Murtis, once they are energized, they become independent intelligence. They start answering your prayers, responding to your thought. They start reacting to your emotions and feelings independently. That is why they are called Archavatara. God descending in the form of the Murti to accept all your Archana. Avatara to receive Archana is Archavatara. Now these deities will become Archavatara when they go through the energizing process, when they have the energizing process, and it is considered very auspicious if it drizzles or rains during the energizing process. The moment we started, it started drizzling, wonderful. Means the auspicious signs. These are all auspicious signs, and I will guide you step by step. Please go through the whole ritual. It will be very simple ritual. Basically, we will be invoking the fire energy. Then we will be offering one by one all the deities, ahutis. We will meditate, visualize those deities inside the fire and offer them the ghee. Ghee is considered to be the sarvahuti. Means that is food, that is everything. So along with me, just offer the ghee, repeating those mantras. That's all. If you can't repeat the mantras also, it's okay. Just offer the ghee. There will be some mantras long. Those things you don't have to repeat. Just offer the ghee. That's enough. But continue to hold on to that visualization of the deity, that form of the deity in the fire. That is what is requested. Continue to hold the visualization of that specific deity. I will be guiding you. First we will enter into the, we will meditate on Guru, then we will start Ganapati. Then I will guide you step by step. Visualize those deities in the fire. That's more than enough. And we will start the ritual. We will start the Murti Pratishta ceremony. Nityanandam Paramasugadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvaditam Gagana Sadrisam Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavaditam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Bow down to all the enlightened masters of the planet Earth from all traditions, religions and faiths. They were the people who added juice to the planet Earth. So let us meditate and invoke their presence. Sada Shiva Samarambam Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryandam Vande Guru Paramparam. Whoever contributed to planet Earth, the enlightenment science, directly or indirectly, let's respect all of them. Let us request all their presence here, guiding us in our life and in the whole ceremony. Narayanam Batmabhavam Vasishtam Shaktim Jatatputra Parasaram Cha Vyasam Sugam Gaudapadam Mahantam Govinda Yogindra Matasya Sishyam Sri Shankaracharya Matasya Bhatma Padancha Hastamalakancha Sishyam Tam Trodakanvartikakaramanyan Asmat Gurun Santatamanadoosmi. Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shanmatastapanasvarupaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Shankaraya Namaha. Om. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Bhatarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punaha. The Standila, the Homagunta which is in front of you, consider that as a seat of the master. All the enlightened masters who happened on the planet Earth, and pour few drops of water offering. Om Hrim Etat Padhyam Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Yeshargyaha Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Machamaniyam Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Snaniyam Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Vastram Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Eshagantaha Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Satchandana Pushpam Sri Gurave Namaha. ओम ह्रीं इदं सच्चंदन बिल्वपत्रं श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम ह्रीं एषद्धूपः श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम ह्रीं एषद्दीपः श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम ह्रीं इदं शोभकर्ण नैवेद्यं श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम you can light the camphor. Aratrikam. Karpuragauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hritayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Aratrikam Samarpayami Sadguru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Please put the fire into the Homagunta. Cut up. உள்ள என்னடா கற்பூரமே போடாம விட்டுருக்க. இப்போ கூட கற்பூரம் போடு. These are purification rituals. You do not have to do that. You can just sit. Hum Vam Om Hrim 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 Om Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru Anandat Varshaya Varshaya Swaha. Actually this mantra means let the heavens shower. So when you chant this mantra, it is supposed to shower. It is showering. Hum Vam Omaim 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 Sarvamangala Mangalyam Varenyam Varadam Subham Narayanam Namaskritya Sarvakarmani Karayet Sarvamangala Swarupaya Namaha Om Sarvamangala Swarupaya Namaha Om Sarvamangala Swarupaya Namaha Om Amrito Bastaranamasi Swaha Amrito Bastaranamasi Swaha Amrito Bastaranamasi Swaha. Darba Om Amrito Bastaranamasi Swaha Om Amritabidanamasi Swaha. Kalas mela vachru anga vachru Om Indraya Swaha Om Agnaye Swaha ओम यमाय स्वाहा, ओम नैऋतये स्वाहा, ओम वरुणाय स्वाहा, ओम कुबेराय स्वाहा, ओम वायवे स्वाहा, ओम ईशानाय स्वाहा, ओम अंतरिक्षाय स्वाहा, ओम बादाल बलिभ्यो स्वाहा, ओम वैकुंठ देवताभ्य स्वाहा, ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्य स्वाहा, ओम सर्वाभ्यो देवीभ्य स्वाहा. Now we are invoking all the devatas. There are 33 crore supposed to be in our Vedic tradition. We will be invoking all the devatas. You can just offer the ahuti. Om Ganeshadi Pancha Devadabhya Swaha. Om Indradi Dasadik Balebhya Swaha. Om Kalyadi Dashmaha Vidyabhya Swaha. Om Matsyadi Dasavadarebhya Swaha. ओम अकारादि पंचाशत् वर्णेभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम प्रतिपदादि तिथिभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम अगस्त्यादि ऋषिभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम वज्रादि अस्त्रेभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम प्रतिपदादि तिथिभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम अमावस्यायै स्वाहा. ओम पूर्णिमायै स्वाहा. ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यः स्वाहा. ओम सर्वाभ्यो देवीभ्यो स्वाहा. ओम कुलदेवताभ्यो स्वाहा. ओम पितृदेवताभ्यो स्वाहा. ओम क्षेत्रदेवताभ्यो स्वाहा. ओम इष्टमंत्राय स्वाहा. Take a flower and meditate on Ganapati, the Lord of beginnings. Here we have a deity of Ganapati. He is with the elephant face and 4 hands. Just meditate on his form. You can just listen to this mantra and meditate on his form. After the meditation, offer that flower into the fire and visualize, meditate his form inside the fire. Gananam tvam ganapatigum avamahe kavim kavinam upamashravastamam jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmanaspata anasrunvannodibisi dasadanam hamsa hamsaya vitmahe paramahamsaya dhimahi tanno hamsa prachodayat tvam muladharastitosi nityam. Om Gam Ganapataye Swaha. Visualize from your Mooladhara, you are bringing him to the fire to offer the ahutis and do the puja in the outside, in the fire. Now visualize him on the fire. Om Gam Ganapataye Swaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Dhyayami. ओम गम गणपतये आवाहयामि. ओम गम गणपतये सर्वोपचार पूजान् समर्पयामि. अग्नेर्मध्यबाहे ओम गम गणपतिम् इतं नामम. Offer the ahuti for Ganapati. Om gam Ganapataye Swaha. 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 Om Gam Ganapataye Sarvopachara Pujan Samarpayami. Have little camphor. गम गणपतये शोभकर्ण नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि. आज नैवेद्य नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि आज्यपानीयं समर्पयामि मध्ये मध्ये आज्यपानीयं समर्पयामि पुनराचमनीयं समर्पयामि वक्रतुण्ड महाकायं कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभं निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ गं गणपतये स्वाहा Now take a flower in your hand and meditate on Vishnu in Anahata Chakra. You can see his form here with Sridevi and Bhudevi. Sridevi is the wealth which comes out of the water, ocean. Bhudevi is the wealth which comes out of the earth. These are the two kinds of wealth. He is accompanied by the both wealth energies. See, Sridevi came out of ocean and Bhudevi is the representation of the earth. So he is the lord of both wealths, the wealth of the ocean and wealth of the earth. Now meditate on him with the Sridevi and Bhudevi in your Anahata Chakra, heart center. Shantaharam bhujagasayanam Meghavarnam Shubhankam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Birdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanatham Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha Om Anahata Namo Narayanaya Namaha Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha Itam Namama Itam Namama Itam Namama. Now we will chant few slokas of the 15th chapter of the Gita, where Bhagavan describes how the cosmic energy lands on a body or how it leaves the body. It's called Purushottama Yoga. If you know, you can chant with me, otherwise it's okay, just you can listen to the mantras and pour the offering into the fire. This is Bhagavan himself is describing how the cosmic energy lands on the body or leaves the body. Urdhvamulam adhaschagam asvattam brahuravyayam Om chandam siyasya varnani yastam yodasayogravid adhaschordvam prashrudastasya saha guna pravriddha vishaya pravala adhascha mulan yanusandadami karmanubandhini manushya loke naropamasyeha naropalabhyade nanto nachatit nacha sampratishta Asvattamenam suviruda moolam asangasastrena drudena chitva tadapadam dat parimarkidavyam yasmin gatana nivattanti bhuyaha tameva chatyam purusham prapatye yada pravritti prasruta purani nirmana mogajita sangadosha adhyatma vidya vinivriddha kama dvandvair vimukto sugadukka sangai gacchantyamuda padamavyayam tat natadvasayate suryo न ससांको न भावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांसो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनःषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यत्क्रामत्वामनीश्वरः गृहीतैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वासयात् श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनङ्घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयान् उपसेवते उत्क्रामन्दं स्थितं वापि पुण्यानन्वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानान् पश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते किलं यश्चन्द्रमसि यज्जाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धिमामकं गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसां पुष्णामि चौषधी सर्वा सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानः समायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधं सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तस्मृतिर्ज्ञानम् अपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृत्वेदविदेव चाहं द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षर अक्षरमेव च क्षरः सर्वाणि भूतानि गूढस्थोऽक्षरमुच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मे व्याहृतः यो लो मामवसम्मूतो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्वविद् भवति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति ह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नक एतद् बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत हरिः ओम् तत्सत् सांगाय सावरणाय सशक्तिगाय सपार्षदाय सवाहनाय च आयुधाय च सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीदेवी भूदेवी समेत आनंद वेंकटेश्वराय इहागच्छ इहागच्छ इकतिष्ठ इकतिष्ठ इकसन्निदेहि इकसन्निदेहि इकसन्निरुध्यस्व इकसन्निरुध्यस्व इकसन्मुखी भव इकसन्मुखी भव अत्राधिष्ठानं कुरु मम पूजां गृहाणम् ओम शंकाय नमः ओम चक्राय नमः ओम गरुडाय नमः ओम अंडपेरंडमूर्तये नमः ओम भोग श्रीनिवासाय नमः ओम सर्वांगाय नमः ओम सर्वालंकाराय नमः ओम नमो नारायणाय अंगुष्ठाभ्यां नमः दर्जनीभ्यां स्वाहा मध्यमाभ्यां वषट् अनामिकाभ्यां हूं घनिष्ठाभ्यां औषट् करलकरपृष्ठाभ्यामस्त्राय फट् ओम नमो नारायणाय हृदयाय नमः शिरसे स्वाहा सिकायै वषट् कवचाय हूं नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट् करलकरपृष्ठाभ्यामस्त्राय फट् This part of the ritual, you visualize you as a deity. That is a greatness of the Vedic tradition. First, you visualize you as a deity. You remove your identity. When you close your eyes, you will remember you with your name and form. Just throw that out and visualize the deity itself is there. Your very being has become a deity. Then we will invoke that same energy into the fire and do the offering. Just remember, your body is no more you. It has become the home for the deity. It has become temple for the deity. And if you know, chant the mantra along with me. Otherwise, you can just listen. Just continue to be in that same visualization that your body is no more your body. It is the deity's temple. It's a Vishnu's, Mahadeva's Vaikunta. Hridbatmamasanam dadyat sahasrarachyutamrutaihi Bhadyam saranayor dadyat manastu argyam nivedayet Tena amrutena achamaniyam snaniyam tena chasmrutam Akashadatvam vastram syat Gandhasyat gandhatatvakam Chittam prakalpayet pushpam Dubam pranan prakalpayet Tejas tattvanja dibhartam Naivedyam syat sudam buddhi Anahadadvanir gantam Vayu tattvanja chamaram Sahasraram bhavet chatram Sabda tattvanja geetakam Nrityam indriya karmani Sanchalyam manasastata Sumegalam batmamalam Pushpam nanavidam tata Amayadyair bhava pushpaihi Archayet bhava kosharam Amayam anahankaram Araham amadam tata Amohagam adambam cha Advesha akshau bhagau tata amatsariyam alobam cha dasa pushpam vidurbuta ahimsa paramam pushpam pushpam indriya nigraha daya pushpam shama pushpam jnana pushpam ja panjamam iti panchadasair bhava pushpaihi sambhujayet narayanam. Om namo narayanaaya namaha. Om namo narayanaaya namaha. Agnetvam narayana namasi. From this moment, fire is the direct representation of Narayana. So visualize the form of Vishnu with Sridevi and Bhudevi and Garuda inside the fire. Agner Madhyabahe Ananda Venkateshwaraya Prana Iha Pranam. Agner Madhyabahe Ananda Venkateshwaraya Jiva Yastitaha. Agner Madhyabahe Ananda Venkateshwaraya Vang Mana Chakshu Tvak Shrodra Grana Prana Igagatya Sugam Siram Dishtandu Swaha. Agner Madhyabahe Ananda Venkateshwaraya Sarvendriyani. Om Ananda Venkateshwaraya Namaha. Om Ananda Venkateshwaraya Itam Namama. Namo Narayanaya Itam Namama. Namo Narayanaya Itam Namama. Om. Now I am describing the scene of the Vaikunta, how he is resting. That's with all the Anga Devatas and Avarana Devatas. Please you continue to meditate, visualize. If you have seen some photographs of Vaikunta, visualize and request that let his presence be here to bless us all. Let him be in this fire to accept all our respects and forgive our mistakes, and let his presence be here. Om Parijataya Swaha. Om Kalpa Vrikshaya Swaha. Om Ashwini Devadabhya Swaha. Om Shirasagaraya Swaha. Om Matsyavadaraya Swaha. Om Gurmavadaraya Swaha. Om Varahavadharaya Swaha. Om Vamanavataraya Swaha. Om Nrisinghaya Swaha. Om Ramaya Swaha. Om Balaramaya Swaha. Om Sri Krishnaya Swaha. Om Siddhartha Buddhaya Swaha. Om Kalki Swarupaya Swaha. Om Hayagrivaya Swaha. Om Dvatasa Sarva Avatara Swarupaya Swaha. Om Ram Ramachandraya. Om Klim Krishnaya. Om Hrim Ramakrishnaya Swaha. Now Anga Devatas means the people who are serving him. Om Banjajanyaya Swaha. Om Chakraswarupaya Swaha. Om Garuda Bakshirajaya Swaha. Om Ashtanaga Devadabhya Swaha. Om Vasukibhyom Swaha. Om Srivatsaya Swaha. Mahadevaya Boha Srinivasaya Namaha. Om. Now we will be offering the ahutis to the Mahadeva, Vishnu. Have enough ghee now. You are supposed to offer 108 times the ahuti. Please take the ghee enough now itself. Continue to maintain the visualization of Vishnu's presence in the fire and offer. Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha. ओम नमो नारायणाय स्वाहा। 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 अग्नेर्पत्यवाहे नमो नारायणाय आज्यपानीयं समर्पयामि। पुनराचमनीयं समर्पयामि। Now we will be offering the puja to Vishnu, the cosmic energy, in the form of Narayana, in the fire. Om Hrim Idam Om Aim Idam Om Glim Idam Om Shrim Idam Om Namo Narayanaya. Once more, visualize and start offering. Om Itam Achamaniyam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Itam Asanam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Itam Argyam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Itam Vadyam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Itam Snanandaramachamaniyam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Hrim Idam Vastram Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Idam Satchandarapushpam Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Eshagandhaka Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Urtvapundram Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Satchandana Pushpa Satchandana Tulasi Patra Namo Narayanaya Swaha. ओम नमो नारायणाय सर्वोपचार पूजान् समर्पयामि। यं जगत्कारणम् अच्युतं वन्दे महादेवाय नमः शिवाय। आज्ञाचक्रानिलयाय नमः शिवाय। आनन्दगन्धमध्ये राचितं निर्विकल्पं सदसदखिलभेदवतीतमेकस्वरूपं प्रकृतिविकृतिशून्यं नित्यमानन्दमूर्तिं विमलपरमहंसं नमः शिवायं भजामः। अग्नेर्मध्यबाहे नमः शिवाय स्वाहा। Visualize Mahadeva, Shiva in the center of the fire. Now we are doing Prana Pratishtha of Mahadeva. Om Jatataraya Chandrabimbaya Gangadharaya Om Trinetraya Bhasmodulidaya Trinetraya Karanakuntalaya Garudattvajaya नागाभरणाय नंदीवाहनाय देवीस्वरूपाय महादेवाय त्रिशूलाय रुद्राक्षाभरणाय अंगुसाय पासाय डमरुभ्यो अग्निस्वरूपाय सुंदरवदनाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। चित्पिंगलहनहन दह दह बच बच सर्वं ज्ञानापय स्वाहा। चित्पिंगलहनहन दह दह बच बच सर्वं ज्ञानापय स्वाहा। चित्पिंगलहनहन दह दह बच बच सर्वं ज्ञानापय स्वाहा। ओम अग्निं प्रज्वलितं वन्दे जातवेदं उदासनं सुवर्णममलं सवित्तं विश्वतोमुखम्। अग्ने त्वं नमः शिवाय नामासि। अग्ने त्वं नमः शिवाय नामासि। अग्ने त्वं नमः शिवाय नामासि। अग्नेर्मध्यबाहे नमः शिवाय। इहागच्छ इहागच्छ इगतिष्ठ इगतिष्ठ इगसन्निदेहि इगसन्निदेहि इगसन्निरुध्यस्व इगसन्निरुध्यस्व इगसन्मुखी भव इगसन्मुखी भव। अत्राधिष्ठानं कुरु मम पूजां गृहाणं नमः शिवाय। सांगाय सावरणाय सशक्तिकाय सपार्षदाय च वागनाय च आयुधाय च सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। आं ह्रीं ग्रोम्यं रम्लं अंशं शंशं हौं हंसः शिवदेवताया प्राणाय प्राणा। आं ह्रीं ग्रोम्यं रम्लं अंशं शंशं हौं हंसः शिवदेवताया जीव स्थितः। आं ह्रीं ग्रोम्यं रम्लं अंशं शंशं हौं हंसः शिवदेवताया सर्वेन्द्रियाणि। आं ह्रीं ग्रोम्यं रम्लं अंशं शंशं हौं हंसः शिवदेवताया वाङ्मनचक्षुत्वक् श्रोत्रघ्राणप्राणायगागत्य सुखं शिरं तिष्ठन्तु स्वाहा। नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। If you have a Rudraksh mala, take it in your hand and chant 108 times Namah Shivaya Swaha, Om Hreem Namah Shivaya Swaha, and offer the ghee ahuti to him. Offer the ahuti in the right hand, use the Japamala in the left hand. Om Hreem Namah Shivaya Swaha, 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 Om Hrim Namah Shivaya Swaha. 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 Hrim Namah Shivaya Swaha. Om 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 Hrim Namah Shivaya Swaha. ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय स्वाहा, 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 ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय इदं न मम। ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय इदं सर्वोपचारपूजान् समर्पयामि। आज्यपानीयं समर्पयामि, सोपकरणनैवेद्यं समर्पयामि, सर्वोपचारपूजान् समर्पयामि। आरती। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। आरात्रिकं समर्पयामि, सद्गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। नमः शिवाय इदं न मम। सर्वोपचारपूजान् समर्पयामि, मन्त्रपुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि, पूर्णाहुतिम्। ओम इदं प्राणबुद्धिदेहधर्माधिकारतो जाग्रत् स्वप्न सुषुप्त्यवस्थासु मनसा वाचा कर्मणा पत्यां यत् स्मृतं यदुक्तं तत्सर्वं ब्रह्मार्पणं भवतु स्वाहा। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मादि ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। आरात्रिकं समर्पयामि, सद्गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। ओम महादेवाय नमः शिवाय इदं न मम। सर्वं सद्गुरुपादुकार्पणमस्तु। Now offer your humble respects and request the divine to forgive the mistakes we committed. Mantrahinam vidhihinam kriyahinam yadarchitam maya niveditam bhaktya grihana parameshwara. Manacha vacha karmana antascharena bhutanam gadirtvam nanyak gadirmama द्रष्टात्वं परमेश्वरः। यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि तानि तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे प्रदक्षिणनमस्कारान् समर्पयामि। सर्वशक्तिं कुंभे स्थापयामि। महादेवैः गच्छैः गच्छैः तिष्ठैः तिष्ठैः सन्निधेः सन्निधेः सन्निरुध्यस्व सन्निरुध्यस्व एकसन्मुखी भव एकसन्मुखी भवत्राधिष्ठानं गुरु मम पूजां गृहाणं सर्वोपचारपूजान् समर्पयामि। सोपकरणनैवेद्यं समर्पयामि। आरात्रिकम् कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। मंत्रपुष्पांजलिं समर्पयामि। सर्वं सद्गुरुपादुकार्पणमस्तु। अग्ने त्वं समुद्रं गच्छ, पृथ्वी त्वं शीतला भव। शांति शांति शांतिः। Now you will all carry the kalashams and please go around the campus completely and come back. By the time the main deities will be ready for the abhishekam, and we will do the consecration, the infusing life energy into the deities, the Murti Pratishta.
Whole area, the energy lands like a clairvoyant. Just be available, open, prayerful, and be receptive. The same energy can land on you also. When we put the energy on the deity, it can land on you also. Same presence can stand on you also. You can also carry that same presence in you.
soon as you can hear. Don't be conservative. Take it. But you said 300.
नित्यानंदमे अच्युतं केशवं श्रीधरं माधवं सद्गुरुनायकं அரவன்